What's going on, everyone? This is a 2026 Premier 210 Sunsation. This boat is equipped with a 150 Mercury engine. This is a tri-toon in a 21-foot, super popular boat. We've got this awesome navy paneling along with the black railing and the black emblems. Let's go inside and take a closer look. This boat features the soft touch mountain gray vinyl with the nautical blue accents, ties the whole boat together with the exterior. You can also see the RGB lights are on in this boat, which definitely adds an elevated feel. I really like how these seat cushions fold to the back, so it's super easy if I need to grab something out of here. Very easy for me to do so. As we move towards the midship, again, this is a tri-toon, so we do have that center tune storage, which is really nice. You can see we got our cover in there right now, along with our poles. Lots of space to put our life jackets, backpacks, bags, anything that we're bringing with us on the boat. We've also got a nice fold-out table. This is the full-size table. You can also option to get a drawer. This just tucks right in just like that. Very easy to stow, so you still got plenty of space. Even when this is deployed out, and I'm in the co-captain's seat, this is very comfortable. This isn't in the way. I have plenty of space, so really like that. New for 2026. As you move to the helm, you'll see we got our wet sound system with our Lowrance depth finder. We do have our speedometer and tachometer. Those are just your standard analog gauges, along with some critical controls over there on the right side by your throttle and shift. So you can also control your RGB light package from that panel. Power bimini as well, so very easy to deploy up and down. Just take the boot off, fold it all the way up, plenty of sunshade. Also got our table here as well too. These seat backs also will fold up, revealing more storage. So as you can see there, lots of space in this 21-foot tri-toon for everything that you're going to bring. So you can check out this boat on our website, MarineMax.com. This is on the showroom floor in Nisswa, so be sure to stop at our Nisswa location and see it for yourself.